Hello, everybody. It's me, Max. We're going to do something a little bit different today. It's going to be my good friend Boo's birthday soon. And I wanted to make her something. So I thought it would be fun if we could read a book about how to make a cake.
How to Bake a Cake by Anastasia Swen. Let's celebrate! A big day is coming. You can make it a special day. You can bake a cake. Ask an adult to help you. You will need baking spray, 2½ cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2¼ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're also going to need measuring spoons, a measuring cup, spatula, a mixing bowl, electric mixer, 2 9-inch round baking pans, oven mitts, and a cooling rack. Oven and pans. First, we put the oven rack in the middle of the oven, then turn on the oven. Heat the oven to 350 degrees. Let the oven warm up while you make the cake batter. Spray both cake pans. Always wash your hands before you start cooking. You don't want the cake to stick to the pan. Coat it with cooking spray before you put it in the batter. Make the batter. Put the sugar in the mixing bowl. Now add eggs, one at a time. Tap the egg, then crack it open. Pour out the yolk and the white. Turn on the mixer. Mix the ingredients for 1 minute. Turn the bowl as you mix. Now add the flour, oil, and milk. Add the baking powder and the vanilla. Now mix everything together. Use the mixer again for 1 minute. Make the batter smooth. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Bake your cake. Pour half the batter into the pan, then pour the rest of the batter into the other pan. Tap the pans to pop any air bubbles. If one pan has more batter, it will take longer to bake. Put the pans into the oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Wear oven mitts so you don't burn yourself. Is your cake ready? Test it with a toothpick. A toothpick will let you know if the inside is baked. Did the toothpick come out clean? Then your cake is ready. If it did not come out clean, bake it a little longer. If the inside is still gooey, put the pans back in the oven. After 2 minutes, test the middle again. Take the pans out of the oven. The pans will be very hot. Wear oven mitts to take the pans out. Use a thin knife to loosen the cake from the pan, then flip the pans over onto the rack. Put each layer on a rack. Let them cool down. Decorate your cake. Now you can frost your cake. Frost the middle first, then frost the top and the sides. Use a knife to add a big scoop of frosting, then spread it out and repeat until the whole cake is covered. Slice and serve your cake. You have made it a special day.
That was very cool. I think that I will get an adult to help me. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.